Hello and welcome to my channel Wonders of Price Action. Today I am analyzing the Euro Australian dollar pair in which the downward setup was failed. Now I am going to break down it in detail. What was the reason that it failed? I don't believe in anything just like fake breakouts. This is price action. We all see, we watch it, see it all together, either retail trader or institutional traders. So this is price action. We need to understand it in detail. So please watch this video complete to understand the price action. Now here, this was the high of the market. Then my market came for this low. After this low, it went up for lower high 1. After this lower high 1, the market came downward for lower low 1. This was low of the market, and then market came downward for lower low 1. But then what happened? Then when the market went up, it did not go for lower high 2, but rather it broke the lower high 1. From here, this market went upward again when the lower high 1 was broken. So this is the wick of above this day. This was the day after breaking this lower high, market came downward and for a new lower low, but it was negligible, very small. Now if you would have seen my previous videos, in which you will watch most of the videos in which I have been saying all time, every time, that when there is a 1 or 2 pip breakout, it is a breakout. So why this lower low 2 is negligible here? The reason is the market is not coming down from the lower high 2. This was acceptable in the condition when the market would have been coming down from this level, below this level. But now lower high 1 was broken to the upward. It was the reason that this lower low 2 was negligible. The market now what became? This became the low of the market. This became the low of the market. The market, this became the low, this became the head. Then market went up to the new high and came downward and retested this shoulder. That was previously lower low 1, but now the condition has changed. Now this was the low, this was the high of the market, and this was the retest of the shoulder. And then market went up, broke this high, retested this, and went upward. Now this was the reason, this was the price action formation that I wanted to let you know. And there are other things also. Let me tell you that this was, in this price action, this was a very up move up to here. This was a very straight move. It needed some retracement. So this was a retracement. So this setup failed. Now let me explain a bit in detail this, because this is very important and we need to understand these kind of uh, price actions. We would be watching, we would be seeing in, maybe not regularly, but pairs do so. Now, second is the market structure. This was a very uh, good market structure, strong support, and after going that up, it needed retest. So this was the retest of this structure. Now let us zoom in, zoom, okay, zoom out. Now watch here. This structure, this was the resistance, this was the resistance, this was the resistance, and this resistance was broken with a strong support structure, as this was broken, and this was very important level. And before this, these strong this resistance, the pair came down directly, it fall down. So this was a very important level to be retested for these reasons. Now the pair is going up, and I have not analyzed what is pair doing now, right now, because I will be doing, maybe I get some good clue and good market structure, the setup, I make this video. But this is going upward. Still I haven't watched now what setup it is making, but this was very important because these setups are not fake. I don't believe in fakes. This is all that we are watching. The market was going up. This was a very strong resistance that was broken with a very complex, with a very supportive, a strong support was created here. This structure is not very simple to be broken downward. So this was retested, and this was the retracement. Now the pair is going up. And please like this video, subscribe my channel, and comment on this video. And I will be coming in the next video with another analysis. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.